Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb coming at you with another video today. Yes, it's me. I'm still here. I'm not disappearing. It's just been a little bit stressful with work the last couple of weeks and then everything, trying to get it all done. You know how life is. So today we're going to be looking at potting up the tomato plants back from way in April. That's the problem. I've got to get caught up with everything that I've been doing because it is time. The videos are also starting to compress on each other because, like the potato video, the video is coming up of me putting these potatoes in, but I already had to earth them up because it took me so long. So I have a feeling some of the videos are going to be shorter and more compact. So let's get to this potting up of the tomato plants. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. So that's the basics of just getting it done and out of the way. Now we can move on to the next. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Much appreciated, and I will see you again next time.